New York State is home to many freshwater sources. Your drinking water may come from one of these surface waters or underground aquifers. Your local officials work closely with the New York State Department of Health, Department of Environmental Conservation, other state agencies, and landowners on innovative practices to reduce contaminants that can enter your drinking water source.
Even before water enters the treatment plant, your water operator checks its quality. Certified professionals are on call 24/7, making sure treatment systems are removing over 100 different contaminants from water. How do we know that? Because your water operator is regularly testing the water after it's treated to make sure it meets strict health protective standards.
I am the water superintendent for the Star Lake Water District in the town of Fine. So before the project, the former system was very small and undersized. There was times I was actually setting my alarm to get up in the middle of the night to go down and manually backwash filters because I had to continually operate to keep up with demand. It takes a lot to make sure we're delivering safe, drinkable water. We consolidated 3 water plants into one. Our distribution lines were original to the early 1950s. So updating that was another critical part of the project. It's made the whole system operate that much better. The technology that's here today is top in the state. I've got computerized SCADA system now that is continually monitoring 24/7, 365. That investment in infrastructure is huge for every community because we all have our issues. And without the state assistance that's out there, projects like this wouldn't happen.